This tool is designed to copy the electrical circuits from one floor to another floor or on the same floor, or from one file to another file. The app will save a lot of time for electrical engineers in case they need to copy the electrical circuits. The tool will facilitate the copying of electrical typical floors. From the electrical setting, make sure that the circuit sequence is numerical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Before running the tool, make sure that you define the distribution system for all panels. The tool will define the needed shared parameter with this name, copy_circuit_tool. It will be defined as an instance text parameter on. Electrical Fixtures category and Lighting Fixtures category. If you find it not defined after recording the data, you can define it manually or transfer it from the sample. Before running the tool, make sure that there are no empty circuits between the existing circuits in the panel which you copy the data from it. If there are spare or space circuits in the old panel between the circuits, you need to add them to the new panel to have the same circuit sequence.
Run the tool for the first time to record data. run the tool again and fill in the copy from the panel button and fill in the copy to the panel button.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.